Long live, long live. DSM, long live. Long live, long live. DSM ni hadilan. Liba hawa susahan. DSM ni hadilan. Liba hawa susahan. Our language, our rights. Our rights, our rights. We want justice. Justice, justice. We want justice. Justice, justice. DSM, long live. Long live, long live. Rumah straight. Rumah straight, rumah straight. Rumah straight. We want justice. Justice, justice. We want justice. Justice, justice. Yes, sir. Mustafa.
Today we were protesting here in demand of Roman script. As you well all know that it's been more than 50 years we have been demanding for Roman script to set up question paper in Tripura board examination. We have met several times with the president of Tripura board and also the secretary, as well as we met the special secretary of education department. We have given him the memorandum to solve the issues, but so far till now we have not received seen any development. We have even seek appointment to the secretary, but I don't know what is the reason. The special secretary education department is not willing to even talk to us. So today, as you know, there is assembly. We want the minister should raise the issues of our demand in the assembly. वो लोग जो हम लोग का डिमांड असेंबली में रेज करना चाहिए. मिनिस्टर, यह मिनिस्टर हम लोग का मिनिस्टर है, सब लोग का मिनिस्टर है. चीफ मिनिस्टर इज द मिनिस्टर ऑफ फॉर एवरीवन, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर इज मिनिस्टर फॉर एवरीवन. So they should raise the issue of Roman script and it must be solved immediately. Sari domani demand kai domani. So Tripura board president में मालूम है एक बार मालूम है या बोलो special secretary education department special secretary वो मालूम है memorandum baru zak baru सुना update ना domani 2025 December ni sekarang 2024 ni थाने bos ni update ना domani dia. Awan pada memorandum पैसा appointment bos sanka special secretary बाई किंतु special secretary semua malah ni राजी करी और बस malah ya side man kari domba je naya sembai. Kini sung sambil assembly o assembly wo korang ti satung rino sung tini je minister tonglai chief minister ni simi joto minister song no o isu Roman script isu no tine borok korang ti sana assembly wo tambah ke borok sini minister sung joto ni minister borok or public joto ti sini demand borok ti sana tambah ke borok sini minister borok responsibility sana ni solve faida ni bagi han bagi immediately or Roman script isu no borok solve faida nang untuk menilai sung tini orang zaman pore nangka sung secretary to march klai tanai
आगे रोगो तो नुकता करूँ ना रोमांस के साथ pro assembly रोगो ती प्रमोट हन pro तो सारे का सारे protest रखले क्या है ताऊ रोमांस का तकले क्या pro सरकार pro हापन खासा बता बा किधर अंग डांगम है रोग वो है रोमांस को रोग
nadi sung lukha sung hamai mar nai jata MLA khorang ti sanai rok thana yo ti promote non jinai bong ni MLA sung lukha bisibak aro tabu MLA bisujit koloi manov tai joto MLA ro no Sopna Songrok, Joto Borok Borok Zik Sopna Songrok, Borok Jotono, I Joto Lida Tonero, Apru Borok Tisaka Koran. Emily Rokisa Tino. Kintu Asol Practitioner Lanka, Minister Tongeroxi. Tabang Sunamutum, Sukalatoran Wadia, IPFT Borka Boni demand, Jeta Borok Kibia Kipka, Roman Script number Naya, Minister Tongte Bokoran Tisaka, type of blind Belai. For some minister from this okay, I'm up like some most of you. Tahu minister because Devarma, travel welfare department ni. Polisi korang di sana nangu. Tahu borong kenang onimes dalam boy bobo minister. Borong oh isu di sana nangu. Minister di sama ni tebo belai minister di sana kaya tebo samgot nangu. Emle di sana korang. Kintu minister se asal nangu. Tidak mahu konya musuh jodoh minister tongai. Sini di prasa minister rok. Borong kenang onimes Sukla borok gunang sukla tora nuatia bikas borok gunang bikas borok khrak disanam tu.
Tunggu tisai angka apa non protes busu jera colon naik kiri.
Sung tini orang prai 3 ঘন্টা নিরি sung thaimani kintu sung abani yaklo sung march klaijak manu secretariat buskangwa sung dison bomti sung kok salapinai sara 10টা বা 11টা ni bisu secretariat march klaijak manu